In the vast ocean, hidden among the quiet dark blue waves, there's a creature so utterly alien that it seems to mock every rule of biology we've ever written. 3 hearts, blue blood laced with copper, a brain wrapped around its throat, arms that can think independently from the brain, and the ability to rewrite its own DNA in real time. This is the octopus, a being that has survived for over 500 million years, longer than trees, longer than dinosaurs, longer than almost anything with a backbone. It can transform its body in 1/5 of a second, morphing from smooth, delicate skin into something as spiky and jagged as coral. It can impersonate venomous sea snakes. It can walk on 2 tentacles like an alien, doing a bizarre stilt-walking performance. Some species advertise their venom with electric blue rings that pulse like a warning light. Others are so massive and mysterious, they dominate vast regions of the Pacific like silent underwater kings. What you're about to discover will shatter everything you thought you knew about intelligence, survival, and what it means to be alive. Because the octopus isn't just strange, it's operating on a completely different blueprint than anything else on this planet. And some scientists believe it might be the closest thing we'll ever find to meeting an alien mind. The octopus's survival skills are unrivaled. But this creature's mastery of camouflage is not just skin deep. It's a biological miracle that defies physics. The octopus has 3 layers of specialized cells working in perfect harmony, chromatophores, pigment-filled sacs that the octopus can expand or contract at will, shifting between red, orange, yellow, and brown in the blink of an eye. Iridophores, reflective cells that manipulate light to produce shimmering blues and greens, creating an almost metallic sheen. Leucophores, cells that reflect white light to give off a pure, ghostly glow. But here's where it gets truly bizarre. In 2015, researchers made a discovery that shouldn't be possible. They found that octopus skin contains photoreceptor genes, the same proteins found in eyes. The octopus can see with its skin. Not metaphorically, not approximately, literally. Each square inch of skin can detect light and darkness independently, allowing the creature to sense its surroundings without using its eyes at all. While a chameleon's color change is hormonal and takes about 20 seconds, the octopus's transformation is neural, controlled directly by its nervous system. This means it can change color faster than a human can blink, faster than a predator can process what it's seeing. But color is only half the illusion. The octopus's skin is covered in tiny structures called papillae that allow it to change texture, from smooth to spiky, from soft to rough. It can mimic rocks, sand, or coral in less than 1/5 of a second. Imagine being able to vanish in plain sight, transforming your body from something soft and vulnerable into something hard and unrecognizable. And here's the most mind-bending part. Octopuses are colorblind. They don't need to see color to become that color. Their skin detects brightness and shadows directly, making the ocean's dark depths their perfect canvas. It's camouflage without comprehension, survival without understanding. A system so alien, we're still trying to figure out how it's even possible. To truly grasp the unnatural mystery of the octopus, we must peer into its utterly alien nervous system. Unlike humans and other vertebrates who rely on a centralized brain, our neural command center, the octopus, defies this fundamental rule of biology. An octopus possesses approximately 500 million neurons, comparable to a dog's brain. But here's where it gets disturbing. 2/3 of those neurons reside outside the brain, scattered across its 8 arms like a twisted extension of its consciousness. Each arm has its own mini-brain, its own decision-making capabilities, its own will. While a human's brain controls every movement of their body, the octopus's central brain simply suggests. The arms decide whether to obey. And the proof of this autonomy is genuinely horrifying. When an octopus arm is severed, cut completely off from the body, it continues to move. to think, to react. For up to an hour after detachment, a rogue arm can still respond to touch, explore its environment, and recoil from danger. No brain required. It's not random twitching. It's purposeful behavior from a limb that's technically dead. The arm doesn't know it's been separated. It keeps hunting. This grotesque autonomy isn't a bug, it's a feature. In the pitch-black ocean, an octopus hunting in dark crevices can't see where its arms are going, so it doesn't try to control them. Instead, it sends them out like blind scouts, each arm probing independently, feeling for prey, making life or death decisions without consulting headquarters. As the arms search, the central brain contemplates, strategizes, and remembers an eerie symbiotic relationship between commander and soldiers. Scientists have observed octopuses changing their skin tone and texture 177 times in just 1 hour, and their reaction time? 200 milliseconds faster than a human blink. A flicker in time where it must choose, survive or perish. The octopus is a creature that cheats nature itself. Most animals, including humans, have red blood. It's red because it's based on iron, specifically hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen and carries it through our bodies. But the octopus has blue blood. Instead of iron, octopus blood uses hemocyanin, a copper-based molecule that turns blue when oxygenated. And this isn't just for show. Hemocyanin is more efficient than hemoglobin in cold, low-oxygen environments. This allows the octopus to thrive in the suffocating depths where oxygen is scarce, places where no vertebrate would dare to exist. 3 hearts pump this alien blood through its veins. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills. 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. And its brain? It's wrapped around its esophagus, its throat. This means every time an octopus swallows food, the food passes through the center of its brain. It's a design so bizarre, so impractical by human standards, that it reminds us this creature evolved on a completely different path than anything with a spine. But the most chilling revelation came in 2017. Scientists discovered that octopuses have the ability to edit their own RNA in real time. Let me explain what this means. RNA is like the instruction manual for life. RNA is like the photocopy you make when you need to build something. In almost every animal on Earth, the RNA is an exact copy of the DNA. But octopuses can rewrite the copy. They can change the instructions on the fly, allowing them to adapt to new environments without waiting for evolution. They can alter proteins, adjust brain chemistry, and modify their bodies faster than natural selection. It's evolution on demand. Instant adaptation. The octopus doesn't just survive, it redesigns itself to survive. The octopus isn't just a master of camouflage, it's a living Swiss Army knife of survival. And perhaps the most extraordinary tool in its arsenal is mimicry. In the Lembah Strait of Indonesia, scientists discovered a species that has evolved one of the most sophisticated forms of deception in the animal kingdom. The mimic octopus doesn't just change color, it impersonates other creatures. When threatened, it can replicate the movements of a flatfish, flattening itself and gliding across the seafloor. Twist its body to mimic a venomous sea snake, complete with the slithering motion. Transform into a lionfish, spreading its arms like dangerous spines to warn off predators. This isn't random, it's deliberate. The octopus understands how its predators think and weaponizes their fears against them. Then there's the coconut octopus, which displays behavior once thought to belong only to humans, primates, and crows. Tool use. This octopus doesn't just hide. It carries coconut shells across the ocean floor, walking on 2 arms in a remarkable stilt-walking display. When danger approaches, it pulls the shells together to form an armored fortress. It's not instinct, it's planning. Far to the north, in the icy waters off Canada's Pacific coast, the giant Pacific octopus, one of the largest species, reaching up to 30 feet across, has been observed using rocks to build hunting blinds. It moves between tidal pools, dragging rocks and creating ambush shelters to surprise its prey. This is no mindless creature. It plans, it strategizes, it executes. And then there's the blue-ringed octopus, one of the deadliest creatures in the sea. Small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, this species from southern Australia carries enough venom to kill 26 adult humans in minutes. But instead of hiding, it advertises its danger. When threatened, light-reflecting cells intensify its brilliant electric blue rings, while darkening the surrounding skin, a high-contrast warning that screams, "Stay away or die." Every movement is calculated. Every tool is used to maximum potential. Every decision is made with a chilling level of intelligence that rivals Earth's most sophisticated animals. As strange as the octopus's body is, its inner world is even more mysterious. For a creature that spends most of its life in darkness, it holds a complexity that is both eerie and fascinating. Scientists like Dr. Silvia Medeiros have uncovered a disturbing secret about octopus sleep. For nearly 60% of its short life, the octopus drifts into slumber. But this is no ordinary rest. During active sleep, a phase eerily similar to REM sleep in humans, its skin twitches, ripples, and flashes in violent color changes. The creature seems almost possessed, as if its very skin is trying to communicate. In these frenzied moments, the octopus isn't just dreaming, it's processing memories, constructing mental maps of its world, and absorbing unimaginable amounts of information. If life this alien exists here on Earth, sharing our oceans, what else might be possible out there in the universe? The octopus is a testament to the incredible diversity of intelligence waiting to be explored, not just on Earth, but beyond. And every time we study them, we realize we're not just looking at an animal, we're looking in a mirror and seeing something that doesn't look back. If this story made you see the ocean differently, leave your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe to continue exploring Earth's most extraordinary creatures. The deep still holds countless mysteries. Let's uncover them together.